Now, the school bus mega jump.
Oh, yeah.
Are you ready? Go! Whoa, it did it! It did it! Yes!
Let's
Excellent!
Go, boy.
Excellent!
Let's go.
Good job! Driving the school bus. Yeehaw! You're a goofball. One more time. Giddy up. Yeah. Good job, Bubba. All right. You ready to make it jump? Whoa. Is it gonna be able to jump all those? Let's see. That's the wrong way, turkey head. Make it go. There it goes. Oh, it missed the ramp. Oh. You need driving lessons, dude. All right, are we gonna do the ramp or what?
Yeah.
That's the wrong way.
Daddy, I'm gonna do it here.
Here it goes, here it goes. He missed the ramp. The ramp is over here. There's a school bus, there's the ramp. There's my car waiting to ramp. Well, I don't know about that, son. Driving backwards. Backwards donuts. Vroom, vroom, vroom. We gonna do this ramp or what? Dude. Come on.
Pick up something, dude.
All right, I want to see a good jump.
Let me try to do it right here.
All right, so that's really close to the ramp. So let's see what we can do. And he still missed it. Dude, I need to give you some driving lessons.
No, I don't. Hey, let's try if this one can do it.
You gonna try the school bus? Okay. Go for it. No.
Let's try it again.
All right, let's try it again. Here we go. Yeah, that was awesome, dude. It jumped all of them.
Let's try it again.
Crash. Oh no, look at all the toys that came out of the school bus. Put all the toys back in there. We'll be back.